All right, guys, it's time. All summer making electric composter output, storing it in shelf-stable containers, and it's time to put it on our raised bed. All right, so we just pulled out our tomatoes and peppers. This is just straw that we had on all year that we're gonna roll that into the raised bed here. So the idea of putting it on in the fall is to allow the microbes all winter to digest all of this electric composter output. When they do that, they're going to release all the nutrients, and come spring, it's going to make some fertile soil. I know this may not look like much, but this has got to be probably close to a couple 100 pounds of compost that have been turned into, maybe 10 to 15 gallons that we're going to mix in with our soil to amend it over this winter. For instance, here, this is probably 30 pounds of potatoes just in this small container. On top here, some chicken bones. We come over here, we got eggshells. There's just a mix of kitchen scraps, some yard trimmings. You can see some grass clippings in here. So it's a nice mixture of all sorts of different amendments. And I just wanted to add, check out my previous video where I turn all of the tomato plants out of there into, this fine powder here that you see on top of both of these. Turned into dust. We got our little helper here, Penelope. Our baby girl. So I decided to take the straw off just to make it easier to turn everything in. All right, on it goes. That one's pretty uniform. Some leaves in this one. Corn cobs. Then I gotta dump all of these bags. All right, all of that compost in this little raised bed. Let's get in here for a closer look. I mean, there's gonna be a lot. My question is how's it gonna turn out next year? We're gonna get this all worked in. All right, it's all mixed in for the winter. I think it added about 2.5 inches, maybe 2 inches to the entire bed after it all got mixed in real well. All right, now that everything's incorporated, we're gonna let those microbes do their thing. If you're as curious as I am, tune back, subscribe here. Next year I'll show another video of how this turns out. We plan on putting some peppers and tomatoes in there, so recycled tomatoes. Stay tuned.